And now to your mental health and how it affects your health overall. Depression and anxiety, two of the most common mental health challenges, can increase your risk for several long-lasting conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and even stroke. Dr. Lisa Wong, Director of Los Angeles County Department of Mental Health, joins us live now to discuss this. Thank you, Dr. Wong, for joining us. First, we would like to talk about the importance of taking care of your mental health.
Thank you so much for having me this morning, Leslie. Such an important topic. I think a lot of times, we know how to look out for our physical health. If you have a temperature, you have a fever. If you have a broken leg, you know what to do. But we need to take time also to assess where we are with our mental and emotional health. And what that means is taking a pause to really ask yourself how you're doing.
Doctor, about 21 million U.S. adults report being depressed. Now, how does depression impact your physical health?
Depression can have quite an impact on physical health. First of all, you often see disturbances in sleep, in eating. Oftentimes there's anxiety that accompanies, and you can see that it starts to even lower your immune system so that you're more prone to getting illnesses. I think that we can't underestimate the impact that mental health has on physical well-being.
Makes sense. And here's another number. 1 in 5 U.S. adults struggle with anxiety. How do anxiety and stress take a toll?
Well, anxiety and stress can do things like increase your blood pressure, affect your A1C for people struggling with diabetes. It can really wreak havoc in terms of your sleep and eating and your ability to function in life. And I think that you see kind of this like downward spiral for people once they start with a little bit of anxiety and it remains untreated, then it grows and you see it spreading out to other areas of their life.
We hear about self-care all the time. What exactly does self-care really mean, and how can it help your mental health?
Well, self-care can be from the simplest thing, like taking a walk every morning, spending time with loved ones, spending time walking a dog, writing in a journal, simple things like that, all the way to making sure you have structure in your life, that you have routines, that you have regular exercise, that you have time with a therapist if you need somebody outside of your circle to talk with. I think self-care means paying attention to what's going on internally so that you can address some of your needs.
What do you think about mental health being taught in school?
I think it's a wonderful thing, Leslie. It's so important for kids to learn about mental health so they understand what they're going through, how it impacts them, and also not just how they can help themselves, but how they can help their friends and people around them. I mean, one of my best ambassadors for mental health is my youngest son, who talks to his friends about mental health issues.
Yeah, I think that's very important. Dr. Wong, tell us about the Take Action L.A. County campaign. What's that?
Well, the Los Angeles County Department of Mental Health's Take Action for Mental Health LA County campaign encourages everyone to take action on their own mental health, as well as the mental health of their circle and their community. And there are events that have happened all throughout the month of May, which was Mental Health Awareness Month. So together with our partners, we're promoting wellness, addressing stigma, and highlighting resources available for LA County residents. We have over 180 different events throughout the month of May, and we have a final event coming up at the Santa Monica Pier on June 1st. We invite everyone to come join us on the beach for a day of fun and wellness, and they can go to takeactionla.com to learn about more.
Okay, and what resources are available, or is that what you just said, or other additional resources available?
Well, coming out to one of our events is a wonderful way to learn about resources, but we also have a lot of other resources available through our department and its partners, including our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-854-7771. We have our 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. We have an I Prevail digital wellness platform, and we also have our Department of Mental Health walk-in clinics and peer resource centers, as well as partnerships with different LA County agencies and organizations. And you can learn more about our vast array of services and programs by visiting dmh.lacounty.gov.
Very good. Sounds like there's a lot of help and support out there for people to access. Dr. Lisa Wong, LA County Department of Mental Health Director, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.